Good morning and welcome to Local Living. I'm Nicole Reynolds. At American Male, they believe that true health and beauty begin at a cellular level. Joining me now is George Majorano from American Male. Now, George, for viewers who may not know, can you kind of explain what hormone optimization is?
Sure, Nicole. Hormone optimization is I know there's a term out there called testosterone replacement right now, and I don't like to use that term simply because there's other hormones that we like to balance and optimize. And with hormone optimization, as we get older as men, and even some young men, their hormones start to decline, sometimes at an earlier age, sometimes at a later age. And what we like to do is balance those hormones. So basically, you're going to get better energy levels, better erection quality. You're going to get better mood and cognitive capabilities. Obviously, you're going to have more desire, not just sexual desire, but in desire of things that you enjoy doing. So hormone optimization, getting those hormones optimized is definitely pertinent to living a better life and better quality of life.
Now, at American Male, you guys have a new non-invasive wave therapy treatment. Can you go into a little bit more about that as well?
Sure. So this is a fantastic treatment. This is non-invasive. It's using sound wave therapy. And what it actually does is it increases sensitivity, increases blood flow, breaks down any kind of scar tissue adhesions from injury, any kind of plaque that could be caused by some kind of metabolic dysfunction, diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol, things of that nature. So as we get older, we start to see that sensitivity drop, the ability for blood to flow easily in that male intimate area. And what this actually does is enables over time to heal that tissue and regenerate new tissues so that we can perform as men in a much better capacity.
Now we got just over a minute, so before I let you go, if any of our viewers are suffering from some of those symptoms that you may have talked about, how can they get a hold of you and what advice do you have for them?
So the message conveyed today is more or less, I want to let men know out there that this is not taboo. Treatment for men and male wellness has been taboo for a long period of time, with testosterone therapy and things of that nature. And I want to let the men out there know that, we're all men and we're not alone. There's many men that suffer from these things, and as being macho men, we don't want to admit sometimes that there's a problem. But I want to let you know that we're out here to help. Don't be afraid to reach out and get the help that you need. And you can reach out at AmericanMaleWellness.com or give us a call at 702-347-7000.
George at American Male, thank you so much for joining us this morning, and we hope to have you back again soon to talk about some of the other amazing things that you guys are doing over there. Thank you so much at home for watching Local Living right here on the CW Las Vegas. We'll see you next time.